Hello everyone, welcome to LRDIPrep. This is Samir Surdana and we are discussing 100 quant questions that you must do before snap exam. So we are discussing the topic of mixture and solution. The first question have been discussed with you in the previous video where we'll discuss the complete theoretical concept of solving the question of mixture and solution, in which there's a part of the solution that you're removing and you're replacing it with pure content that can be either water or anything else. So all these type of questions are nothing but a case of successive decrement. So please watch the first part of mixture and solution question. Here's the next question. Question number 14 is on the screen here. Let's do this question. What does it say? It says a 12 liters are drawn off from a vessel full of water and substituted by pure milk. Again, 12 liters of the mixture are drawn off and substituted by pure milk. If the vessel now contained water and milk in the ratio of 25:56, find the capacity of the vessel. We have just discussed in the previous video that all the removal and replacement questions, all removal and replacement question of mixture and solution are the case of successive decrement. There are two things that you need to take care of. One is the content that will get decreases successively, right? That will get decreases successively, right? The second is the percentage or fraction by which it will get decreases, right? By which it will get decreases, right? Now the percentage or the fraction by which it will get successively decreases will depend on what part of the solution you are removing and replacing it with a pure content. So these are the 2 points that you need to take here into consideration while solving the question of removal and replacement that I discussed with all of you in the first part of mixture and solution. Now, if you know this basic concept, this question can be solved without making any equation in a very short span of time. See that? We have a vessel full of water and we are withdrawing a part of the water and replacing it with a pure milk. So tell me the answer to the first question. In this particular question, which content will get decreased? See, you are removing water from the container and replacing it with milk. Okay. So if I ask you the question, content that will get decreased successfully is what? Water or milk? It will obviously be water because you are replacing it with the milk. So water is being something that has been drawn out. So therefore water will be decreasing. By what fraction it will get decreased? Fraction means what percentage of the total solution you are removing. We don't know that because it's mentioned that you are withdrawing 12 liter. You don't know what is the total quantity, right? So by what fraction? 12 liter as a part of total is something by which it will get decreases successively. So the fraction by which it get decreases successively is 12 upon T. All right. So these are the 2 points here. Let's use the information now. You see that whatever is the total initial quantity, of the water is 1 out of 1. Water is 1 out of 1. And you are doing this removal and replacement process for 2 times. Yes, the process of removal and replacement is happening for 2 times. In this particular case, the quantity of water that is left in the vessel, as you can see, is 25/81. So after doing the process for 2 times, right, you see the water quantity is getting multiplied by 25/81. This is the multiplying factor for 2 times operation of removal and replacement. If I do this operation only once, you see that the fraction by which it will get multiplied will be square root of 25/81 because it successively get decreases by the same multiplying factor. If a same multiplying factor is multiplied for 2 times and the resultant multiplying factor is 25/81, and if I want to find out the multiplying factor for 1 time, I just need to take a square root of it, which will be 5/9. Right, 25/81 square root will be 5/9. That means my total quantity of water is becoming 5 by 9 times of its initial quantity after doing the operation once. That means I'm removing 4 by 9 part of the total in my first attempt. So can I say the fraction by which the water quantity is getting decreased in one time of removal and replacement is 4 by 9? That is, this value is equivalent to 4 by 9. So therefore, total will be equal to 3 into 9. That is it. 27 will be the answer. All you have to do is just take a square root of it, and the square root part will be equivalent to this value, and this will give you the straightforward answer in the one single step. Without equation, this question can be solved. Now, let's go to the next question, and you see that now that you have understood the concept of this question, let's use this concept in the next question as well. There's one more question that we'll be discussing. In the case of mixture and solution, let's have a discussion on it. Question number 15 of mixture and solution. So 12 questions of profit and loss, and there are 3 more questions of mixture and solution. Let's do this question number. See that, what do we have in this particular question? It says from a solution containing alcohol and water in the ratio of 17:7, 12 liters of solution is removed and replaced with 12 liters of alcohol. So we have a combination of alcohol and water. We are removing a part of it and replacing it with alcohol. So guys, tell me, what will get decreased? The first question answer, content which will get decreased is water. So all you need to do is just concentrate on water. By what fraction it will get reduced? We don't know that. We know that, but the fraction by which it will get reduced is 12 by T, right? Because we don't know the total quantity, we only know the quantity that we are removing, that is 12 liter. So 12 as a fraction of T is 12 by T. 12 as a part of T is 12 by T. Now, now concentrate on the water part. What is the water that you have? Initially, alcohol and water is 17:7. And after doing this operation twice more, that means in total, you're doing the operation 3 times. The alcohol and water ratio is 40:9. Just concentrate on the water part, because this is something that we are interested in, because this is what that will be getting decreased successively. So water is 7 by 24. And finally, the water is 9 by 49. So tell me the multiplying factor for doing the operation 3 times. That multiplying factor for doing the operation for 3 times, as you can see, is 9 into 24 by 7 into 49. The operation multiplying factor for 3 times would be 216 upon 343. So this is the multiplying factor for 3 times. I need the multiplying factor once I do this operation only once. 3 times multiplying factor is this. That means a multiplying factor has been multiplied 3 times, and then you are getting this combined multiplying factor. For once, I need to do the cube root of it. And the cube root part of it is 6 by 7. That means the fraction, the water part is becoming 1 to 6 by 7 in one time operation. That means it is getting reduced by 1 by 7. So this multiplying factor is 1 by 7. So total will be equal to 12 into 7. That is 84 is the answer of the question. That's one of the best methodology of solving the question of removal and replacement. Just find out the multiplying factor. Take this nth root depending on the number of times you are doing the operation. If you're doing the operation for nth time, just take the nth root of it. That will give you the multiplying factor for once. And once you find out the operation multiplying factor for one time operation, find out by what fraction it is getting decreased, and just straight away put as the total quantity that you're removing as a part of total quantity is equal to the fraction that you are getting from the multiplying factor concept. Put it equal to the total, you'll get your answer straight away in 2 steps. That's the best methodology of solving the question of removal and replacement. And you can expect this type of question in SNAPS and other MBA entrance exam preparation. Thank you so much for watching my video. So we have covered 4 or 5 very, very important questions on mixture solution. The next, I'll be picking the topic of simple interest and compound interest. So see you then in the next part of the video. Thank you so much. And please subscribe to Unacademy Plus using the referral code SMEER.YT and join this Telegram group. Subscribe to the channel for updates. And finally, this last information that I would like to tell everybody who's watching this video. These are my upcoming batches for students who are appearing for CAT 2021. Arithmetic without formula course with 1000 question course, algebra with 750 question course, and geometry with 750 question course. In addition to that, there's an iconic membership for students appearing for CAT 2021 that has been launched on 28th of December on Unacademy, where a personal mentor will be assigned to you. Test analysis and reports will be submitted to you. Other management entrance test preparation will also be included. All benefits of Plus are part of it. There's a feature which is ask a doubt, where you can just click a question, highlight the question that you want to ask, send it across, and you'll get your solution 24 hours 7. Thanks to all of you for watching the video. See you then in the next part. Thank you.